Hello Gemini Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for Feb 17 to Feb 23. I-take nyo lang po yung mga ka-resonate kayo and then leave the rest. Huwag nyo na pong isipin yung mga hindi tugma sa life nyo ngayon. Just use your intuition para po makuha nyo yung akmang messages na pasok at swak sa pinagdaanan nyo today sa ating reading. Thank you po pala sa nag-like and nag-share at saka po nag-subscribe. And also for those who are not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support and generosity sa ating channel. Okay, let's start. At the center of your reading, you have the Two of Cups, beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Knight of Pentacles. In the area of what you need, you have the Strength card. In the area of your recent past, you have the Five of Pentacles. In the area of your near future, you have the Two of Swords. In the area of your challenge this week, Gemini, you have the Four of Swords. In the area of your fortune, you have the Magician, beautiful. Creation, manifestations. In the area of your advice from the divine, you have the Queen of Cups. And you have the Queen of Wands, two queens. Wow. And your outcome this week, Gemini, you have the Three of Cups. Beautiful celebration and partying or celebration of something na fruit of your labor. So pag-usapan natin yan later. At the bottom of your deck, you have the Lovers. Pasok siya sa iyong reading today. I'm seeing you having this wonderful connection with your special someone or a choice. You're choosing something. So paano mo paninindigan ang pipiliin mong parang choice mo at responsibility mo this week, Gemini. That is the background of your reading today. So it's all about your choice, the one you love, kung ano yung pinakakaabalahan mo ngayon, kung saan nakatuon yung buong attention mo. So focus on that and ask yourself or reassess yourself kung ano yung pagpapahalaga and atensyon na binibigay mo sa mga bagay na pinili mo, whether love or career or passion project. Okay, so let's start your reading. At the center of your spread, you have the Two of Cups. Connection is about your special someone or finding that special someone. I'm seeing you now having this parang prospect, or you are ready now to accept someone or have someone in your life. For others, for other Gemini, I'm seeing you having this negotiation, whether accepting a new job offer, accepting a an agreement, because Two of Cups is also about contract, mutual contract ito, so beneficial to for you and for someone. I'm seeing you completing a requirement and pipirmahan mo yan and then parang magi-start yan ng iyong new life, so you're realigning yourself with your higher self, kung ano yung path na papuntahan mo. For others, I'm seeing talaga it's all about love. You're ready not to find that one. It's all about the Lovers here. You are being protected by Archangel Raphael. So, kung ano man yung tinatarget mo about your love life, it's gonna come to you within this week. You're gonna meet someone, or if you're with someone na, at hindi ka na single, I'm seeing you having this tighter bond or a beautiful bond and connection with your special someone. Both with the Two of Cups and the Lovers, it's all about communication too. With this symbol and also with the clouds dito sa parehong cards, I'm seeing you kailangan may deeper and clear connection ka daw with your special someone. If you want to say something, kung meron kang gustong sabihin, say it now. Walang paligoy-ligoy. Make sure that your intentions are nasasabi mo siya na maayos, but for others, it's really about you getting what you desired with that choice. Makukuha mo siya with the realignment, having someone na pareho kayo ng gusto, agreement, so Two of Cups is being clarified by the Two of Cups. Clarify niyo yung sarili niya. It's really about you having that bagay na hinihiling mo. You're gonna meet someone na pareho kayo ng mindset, pareho kayo ng philosophies, pareho kayo ng gustong gawin. Finally, makikita mo na yung parang kasundo mo, So, congratulations to those who are trying to find love this time. But for others, an agreement. I'm seeing negotiations na approved and you're gonna get the fruit or the result na gusto nyo for each other. Okay? Akit po tayo sa inyong area ng conscious and subconscious. In the position of what you want, you have the Knight of Pentacles. I'm seeing you, gusto mo muna ng pagplanuhan o you're now planning for the things ahead, ano? So, meron mga bagay na gusto mo nang pinaplano mo ngayon. You're planting seeds for the future. So, halimbawa, you're gaining more specializations for others to have specializations para sa isang skill na kakailanganin mo for a certain job, or meron ka ng pinaghahandaan, nag-iipon ka na for mababalak mo mag-aral next year or next month, or nag-iipon ka ngayon for a vacation since summer na ngayon. But for others, I'm seeing na inuupuan mo itong plano mo and you want to have a concrete plan ahead, kasi Knight of Pentacles is about really looking forward and really choosing kung paano mo itatanim tong pentacle na to so that lumago siya ng maayos. So I'm seeing you really determined and really planning ahead. So the Knight of Pentacles being clarified by the Lovers. Dalawang beses lumabas yung Lovers. Dalawang beses lumabas yung Two of Cups. So it's really about your choice. Sa person mo, special someone mo, meron kang pinaplano for the two of you, for your future. I'm seeing someone planning not to lumagay sa tahimik o magpakasal o bumuo na ng pamilya. For others, I'm seeing nag-iipon ka na para sa future nyong dalawa. So it's all about years ahead. I'm seeing 6 years from now, nandun na yung plano mo kung ano yung gagawin niyo. I'm also seeing someone nag-iimpok ng pera for I'm seeing someone's writing their names, writing their signatures, making sure na kung ano yung in the future nyo pareho ay meron ng kasiguraduhan, ano. But for others, I'm seeing you choosing the best plan for your target na trabaho or target na passion project. So make sure that what you really want is something that you kung ano yung nakaplano doon, meron ka ring advice from other people so that ma-align yung gusto mo sa bagay na gusto mong maabot. Okay? Doable at saka reachable and attainable siya. But in the area of what you need, you need the strength daw. Kailangan mo doon ng tibay ng loob, kailangan mo din ng pasensya. I'm also seeing someone na kailangan mo daw patunayan yung resilience o yung pagsisikap in attaining this. If it's loves about someone na iniibig mo, special someone, kailangan mo daw tiyagain. If you need approval o gusto mo ng matamis na oo, you need to really work hard for it and make sure mapakita mo na worthy ka of that love o worthy ka na makuha tong relasyon na ito. But for others, I'm seeing na meron kang tinatrabaho and matetest yung patience and your dedication kung talagang gustong-gusto mo yan. Okay? So the Strength card is being clarified by the Three of Wands. Yes, moving forward, you really need your patience, you really need your hard work, kailangan pagtrabahuhan kung ano yung gusto mong yan. Lalarga ka naman with the Three of Wands. It's about a ship coming forward and makikita mo na unti-unti nang umaandar o na may development na o meron ng nag-level up na kumbaga. So this time is kailangan mo ng strength, kailangan mo ng tibay na loob, kailangan mo ng pagsisikap at pagkatyaga to attain kung ano man po yung gusto nyong makuha this week o this month. Kung ano po yung gusto nyong marating o gusto nyong makuha na result o sagot na marinig, kailangan daw pagtrabahuhang mabuti and kailangan mo maghintay at kailangan mo daw ng tibay ng loob at pasensya talaga. In the past, you have the Five of Pentacles. There was a financial difficulty. Maybe in the past at nararamdaman ko umaabot siya hanggang ngayon. So may mga utang, may mga gustong bilhin na kulang pa yung ipon, you need help pero wala kang mahanapan ng help. You're trying to do it on your own. I'm hearing for others, the Gemini. Meron kang gustong nabayaran o bilhin o gusto mong paaral yung mga anak mo. And you're trying to balance yung sweldo mo ngayon para kumasya siya for the next and for also to pay all the bills. For others, may gusto kang passion project na gustong simulan but you're not seeing any resources para gawin siya. So the Five of Pentacles is being clarified by the Two of Swords. May choices ka, nahirapan ka pumili. You don't know where and when and how to get help from other people, dito ba o dito, anong tamang strategy, anong tamang plan. Nahihirapan ka na din to really choose kasi marami ding opinions from here and there and you're thinking ano ba yung tamang strategy para magawa mo yung gusto mong gawin o yung plano mong ito o itong endeavor mo na ito. But since parang nasa crossroads ka of choosing the better options, I'm seeing you talagang parang ginawa mo siya on your own. Dalawang lumabas pareho in your past and in your near future ang Two of Swords. I'm seeing you need to take action on something. Kailangan mo daw umaksyon, especially na sa background mo ang choice with the Lovers. May mga bagay ka daw sa life mo noon at ngayon and in the future na kailangan mong aksyonan at hindi mo kailangang ipagbaliwala. Okay, so you really have to take action, be an active leader in your life. Make sure na every step of the way ay inuupuan mo at inaaksyonan mo. Okay, the near future, like I've said, there's still a two of swords, 2-2. You're aligned, you're in alignment. Special number yan sa inyo today, 222, you're aligned, everything is on the right path. So whether mamili ka kung anong pinapilian mo, I want you to know that you are guarded and guided by the Archangel Raphael here, na kung ano mo pong pipiliin nyo ay nasa tamang landas kayo. So I'm hearing for some, kailangan mo na talagang itong aksyonan o kailangan mo nang mamili o kailangan mo nang magdesisyon because you're running out of time. That's what I'm hearing for others. And for some, ito yung mga desisyon na matagal mong tinambak at hindi mo ginalaw because ayaw mong magduel sa bagay na yun. But for some reason, pabalik-balik yung bagay na yun at kailangan mo nang umaksyon o kailangan mong magbigay ng yung say o yung action and decision. So Two of Swords being clarified by the Eight of Wands, darating mabilisan. Like I've said, you're on the right path because Eight of Wands is about a direction that is divinely given to you. So parang ito ay galing sa taas. So kung ano man decision mo, yan ay you're nakatadhana sa iyo at yan ay parang kinakatok ka ng Diyos o ng iyong spirit guides to take action on it. I want you to know that this is a good decision. Because Eight of Wands is mabilis ang action to, mabilis ang darating sa'yo. So kaya kailangan mo talagang umaksyon dito sa bagay na ito. Like I've said kanina, parang wala ka ng oras para hindi mamili. So you really have to reassess agad-agad kasi mabilis na darating sa'yo itong napakabilis na bagay na kailangan mong aksyonan in the near future. Whether about a job na kailangan mong lumipat na from somewhere or about a family situation na kailangan mo agad-agad mag-decide on that thing, okay? In your challenge this week, ang challenge mo, Gemini, ay parang hindi, in action, wala kang ginagawa, yung parang hindi mo in-actionan, in action, o hindi mo siya sinosolve, parang parang gusto mo mag-time out, gusto mo lumayo, ayaw mong magbigay ng garantiya na gagawin mo yung isang bagay. That's what I'm hearing. Parang gusto mong lumayo muna and do not deal with the heat muna. Ayaw mo munang i-duel yung bagay na yun. Parang nahihirapan ka kaya lumalayo ka o umiiwes ka. Pag may tawag, ayaw mong sagutin, o pag mayroong gusto kang kausapin about a certain topic, ayaw mong gawin because parang nahihirapan ka na, na-stress ka na. So you want parang time out muna. But the challenge for you is to tackle this head on. Dalawang beses lumabas, kailangan mo daw mag-decide if it's about love or it's about something na pinili mo before and nahihirapan ka ngayon. Kailangan mo magpahinga. If you need rest, go, take a rest, but hindi mo kailangan magpahinga ng matagal. Hindi mo kailangan patagalin to. So I'm also hearing for others, Gemini, na you're having problems with your faith, with your pananampalataya, na parang question mo na kung bakit hindi dumarating, kung bakit wala pang result. So your challenge for others is continuing your faith, mas palakasin mo yung spiritual strength mo and manalig ka lalo sa Diyos. But for others, ito ay yung pag-iwas mo sa mga bagay at ayaw mong aksyonan. So the Four of Swords is being clarified by the King of Cups. Yes, be matured enough daw. Wag mong ibaba mo yung emotion mo, wag mong ihalo yung iyong nararamdaman sa pagdesisyon mo. Always use your mind, yung enlightenment, your knowledge, your wisdom in order for you to make a decision. Kasi masyado kang emotional now. So parang hindi mo kaya na overwhelm ka kaya gusto mong lumayo, gusto mong umiwas. So yun yung challenge sa'yo this week, Gemini. In the area of your fortune, you have the Magician. Fortunate card siya, nasa area pa ng good fortune to swerte after swerte. So kung ano man daw yung gusto mong gawin, matutupad yan, magagawa mo yan, successful yan. So, wag ka nang matakot na magdesisyon o wag ka nang umiwas sa bagay na dapat mong itakel talaga at kailangan mong mamili o kailangan mo aksyonan, because whatever you have prayed for or whatever you manifested will come true and it will come to your reality. So, don't be afraid because it will be a good outcome. Yun na kita ko. Magandang resulta ang magiging bunga nitong choice mo na ito. So the magician is being clarified by the Nine of Wands. Yes, pagod na pagod ka na nga. You're very tired of doing the same old thing, o itong issue na to paulit-ulit dumarating sa'yo and ayaw mo nang aksyonan in the past. So parang nag-time out ka and may hirapan ka magdesisyon. But now, you're seeing isa pa daw, one last time pa, parang ganon. For others, parang bigyan mo pa doon ng chance. Baka this time, makuha mo na. This time, maganda na yung result. So, since sa area siya ng good fortune, I'm seeing na makukuha mo yung result in time. Makukuha mo yung fruit of your labor na inaasahan mo. So, congratulations for you dahil hindi ka sumuko. So, don't stop with the Three of Wands. Lumarga ka. With a strength card, you have the resilience and the power to do so. So, mabubuo mo tong gusto mong gawin kasi hindi ka sumuko. So, take action. Okay? In the area of your divine advice, you have the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Wands, two queens. Parang dalawang babaeng naglalaban for your attention if you're a guy, Gemini, dyan na nanonood. Or if you are in the crossroads of having parang dalawang babae sa buhay mo ito. Isa fiery, yung isa ay nurturing. So, may dalawa silang opinion sa iyo and you're thinking, ano ba ang kaninong desisyon at kaninong payong pakikinggan mo. Yan, for other Gemini yan. But for others, Queen of Cups is all about your heart. Whatever your heart desires. Kung ano yung gusto mong pinipili mo, yun daw ipaglaban mo. Huwag ka daw makikinig sa ibang tao na maraming opinion about sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin o sa mga decisions mo sa life mo. Make sure na kung ano yung nasa puso mo at kung ano yung talagang desire mo sa puso mo na ito talagang gusto mong gawin, ipaglaban mo siya. Be confident, be bold, be brave, be assertive. Kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, yun daw ang i-push mo. Dahil you are divinely protected and guided with Archangel Raphael here, and the Eight of Wands. Talagang magagawa mo siya. Kailangan mo lang magtiwala sa sarili mo, especially with the Magician card here in the area of your fortune. Talagang ma-manifest mo yung gusto mong ma-manifest. The Queen of Cups being clarified by the Eight of Swords. Yes, kung ano nasa puso mo, gawin mo. Huwag kang matakot. Everything na self-limiting thoughts mo, yung mga iniisip mong negatibo, ay hindi yan mangyayari. Nasa utak mo lang yan. You have the abilities, you have the talent, you have the potential, you have the endless potential that you can master in order for you to do what you want to do. Kailangan mo lang talagang mag-dig deep within you and find within you the courage to do so. The Queen of Wands is here. Yung kalakasan, yung power, yung confidence, yung self-worth, yung boldness, nasa yan. So the Queen of Wands being clarified by the Knight of Swords. Yeah, umado ka daw, lumarga ka daw. Huwag kang panghinaan, sumugod ka kung anong gusto mong gawin. Do it. Walang makakapigil sa'yo kung hindi mo iisipin lagi yung sasabihin ng ibang tao o yung negatibo mong iniisip sa sarili mo na hindi ko kaya, wala akong powers, wala akong kakayahan, wala akong kakilala, wala akong backer, wala akong talent o kulang pa yung alam ko, no? Alisin mo daw sa isip mo yon. Kailangan mo daw maging palaban. Kailangan mo pagkatiwalaan yung sarili mong kakayahan and move forward. Yun ang advice sa'yo ng yung spirit guides. Kung pinanghihinaan ka ng loob, especially gusto mo munang lumayo, use your talent and push forward. Okay? Bago tayo puntahan ng yung outcome na napaganda na Three of Cups, a celebration, mararating mo lang yan kung dadaanan mo ito at malalagpasan mo ito. So pag-usapan natin yan later. Let's have additional messages from the divine. First, you have a number 54. If it is your age or a number of significance, this message is definitely for you. Kung nakita po kayo ng skunk anywhere, whether personal o pictures or internet o napag-usapan, this is a confirmation that this message is for you. Know your worth. Like I've said here, sa yung area of advice, alam mo kung ano yung halaga mo, yung potential mo, yung worth mo. So use that para makaalaga ka sa life. You have to really choose and i-prioritize mo yung mga bagay na mahalaga sa'yo, and you will celebrate soon. In the area of another message is your hard work is paying off. New Moon in Capricorn with this Nine of Wands, yung hirap mo at saka yung tinarabaho mo with the Strength card, magkakaroon ka ng rewards dyan. So keep moving, keep pushing with the Three of Wands and Eight of Wands. Dumiretso ka lang, huwag ka hihinto, okay? Good news tong paparating sa'yo in the near future. Another message is protected by angels. Like I've said, you are being protected by Archangel Raphael here. You are cherished by the angels. O, napakagandang message yan for you. So, huwag kang panghinaan ng loob o huwag kang umurong, huwag mong questionin yung mga kakayahanan mo at dapat mong gawin because you're gonna celebrate as your outcome here. Three of Cups celebration, getting the harvest of your labor. May kita mo na yung fruits of your labor, yung fruition, yung minamanifest mo na gusto mo simulan, hindi ka sumuko, you have the strength, you have the power, you push through. Ang kailangan mo lang talaga mamili. Kailangan mo mag-decide, choose between this or that. Alisit mo yung mga negatibong iniisip mo para sa sarili mo and push through, manifest, ilaban mo and you will celebrate. Okay, Gemini, you will celebrate. Maararating mo lang tong celebration na to pag dinaanan mo to at nalagpasan mo itong lahat ng ito. Okay? So the Three of Cups is being clarified by the Death card and Rebirth. Wow, a beautiful, beautiful outcome for you this week, Gemini. You will celebrate and you will understand finally na kaya pala dinaanan ko yun kasi ito pala yung outcome. Sinubok lang pala ako nung bagay na yun, obstacle na yun kasi para mabuo ako and then papasok na ako sa bagong cycle ng life ko and you will be very very happy kasi parang nakarating ka ng finish line, you did it, napatunayan mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo, you have the power, you have the potential and you have everything that you need in order for you to succeed. So congratulations, time for you to celebrate, it's time for you to embrace this new opportunity and new life for you. So, wag ka nang panghinaan ng loob. Just go for it. If it's about someone that you love, go for that person. Win him or her over. If it's about a new job, daanan mo yung hirap niya so that you can get this beautiful, beautiful celebration, a celebratory moment sa life mo. Okay, Gemini, that is your weekly reading for Feb 17 and 23. Kaya mo yan, ilaban mo yan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you again for not skipping the ads. And kung naka-resonate po kayo, comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. See you again next time for your weekly reading. I am James, and this has been James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.